Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will cover one more function for Python, which is erfc. Erfc function is mainly used to calculate the complementary error function. So to use this function, first of all we need to import the module. So here on line number 6 I'm importing the math module. So for that I just need to write import space math. Once module is imported, then throughout the program you can easily utilize this function. Here on line number 10, I'm using the function for the first scenario. So to use this, I have just used this variable result variable, and then I'm using this function math.erfc. Math is module name, erfc is function name, and as an argument, I'm providing the value is 0. So what it will do, it will calculate the complementary error function for this, and the output would be printed after line number 11. So once line number 11 is executed, it prints the result. To check the output, I will run this program here. So for that I am writing python space session 86.py. If I hit enter, you can see it print multiple values. So we will see one by one output for each scenario. For the first scenario, it is printing 1.0. Likewise, we have created the second scenario. Here everything is same, just we are changing different values so that you got to know like how we can pass the value to these function. So for second scenario, I am passing the value as 1. So equivalent complementary error function for 1 is 1.99 something. Now there could be one question, can we pass negative value? Yes, we can pass negative value to this erfc function. On scenario number 3, we are passing the negative value itself. So if you calculate the complementary error function for -2, the output would be 1.995322 something. Now look at the fourth scenario. In fourth scenario, we are passing the double digit value, which is 10. So the equivalent output for the error complementary error function for 10 is 2.2204 something. When we look at the fifth scenario, here we are passing the decimal value. So yes, we can use decimal value as well for calculating the complementary error function. So if you check the output would be 0.988 something. Okay. For this fifth scenario, we are passing the zero decimal value, but here if you look at the sixth scenario, here I am passing the non-zero value, which is 2.5. So if you calculate the complementary function for 2.5, the output would be 0.044 04069 something. As we always do, for the last scenario, we are storing the value firstly in the variable. So I stored it into the x variable, value is 0.5, and then I am passing this value to this erfc function, and the equivalent output for this function is 0.47950 something. Okay, so this is how we can easily utilize this erfc function, which is used to calculate the complementary error function. So yeah, that's all for this session. I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.